In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your Twitter likes from other users. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your Twitter application and then hit at your profile picture. Now you can open up your profile, and if you hit there at likes, it will show up all your likes, and any person, any Twitter user can open up your profile and see which posts you have liked. And to disable that ability for other people to see your liked post, you have to open up your profile. Just hit there at your profile icon and next hit at settings and privacy. Then tap at privacy and safety, and next go into audience and tagging. And there all you have to do is just enable that option. It calls protect your tweets. Just hit at that switcher to enable that option, and by that action you actually make your Twitter account private. And from now Twitter will show your tweets and liked tweets just to people who follow you. You can't completely hide your Twitter likes and Twitter posts from all over the internet, but you can hide them for everyone except your followers. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.